Hey, how's it going, guys? And welcome back to another Stock Kings YouTube video. And today we'll be going over Single Point Inc., ticker symbol SINGD. Now, to go over something before we start this video, this company's ticker symbol is usually just SING, SING. However, with the announcement of their reverse stock split and them being on the OTC market, they have to add the letter D to their name for 20 days. But once that 20 days is up, they will go back to SING, ticker symbol SING, just so you guys are aware of this for the future. But to get back to the main information in this video, we will be going over this reverse stock split and what it means for this company moving forward. And we'll also be going over their spin-off corporation 1606. So we'll be going over that. We'll also be going over some technical analysis on this stock and hitting some price targets, as well as some entry points and some places where you can take some partial profits on the stock to ensure some gains. So if you have any interest in this stock, SING-D or Single Point Inc., and you want to learn more about this company, please drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you know whenever we come out with new videos and what stocks we are talking about on this channel. I really appreciate all the support on this channel, guys. Thank you so much for that. And I also have my Instagram link down below if you would be interested in following that as well. I post new details about this channel daily. So if you want to keep up more to date with what's going on with this channel, please go follow that. But to get right into this daily chart here on Single Point Inc., ticker symbol SINGD, we have a pretty massive run up all the way up into the 670 range, and then we are continuing to move down well below the 50 EMA, and on Friday we spiked all the way down to 26 cents, closing at around $1.02. This is a massive volatile candle and something you guys definitely need to be aware of and why this is happening. And this is mostly because of the reverse stock split, which began on March 26th, and where you see this massive volatile candle going down. However, if you are long-term bullish on this candle, this gives you the opportunity to get in at a lower price. And if you cut any shares at the 20-cent range, you are looking very good right now, definitely securing some profits at this time as we run up. And now we're about to get a market open here. We are looking to open at the same price we closed at $1.03. So let me guys know in the comments if you guys caught any shares in this dip down, and if that's something that you would be interested in. For me personally, I was able to buy shares at the cross of the 200 EMA at the $67 range, or 67 cent range, excuse me. So, but however, that is just my personal opinion and what I did on my trade. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So everything I do or say on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only. But let me know. Let me know what you guys did, if you are trying to catch any trades in this area at all, or you are staying away from this high volatility. That is definitely something that is okay too. I prefer to stay away from volatility as well. But let's get right into this news here on SinglePoint. We have here on Yahoo, SinglePoint announces effectiveness of a reverse stock split and the spinoff of the 1606 corporation. So basically, what this company is, if you are not aware, they focus on providing renewable energy solutions and energy efficient applications to drive better health and living. Announced today that the company has effected a 1-for-75 reverse split of its issued and outstanding shares of common stock. Shares of SinglePoint's common stock will begin trading on a split adjusted basis under the ticker symbol SINGD on the OTC, which is what we talked about earlier, on March 26th, 2021, which is the candle that you saw the huge volatility to the downside for a period of 20 days. After that, it will go back to SING, which we also discussed earlier. We also have some words from the SinglePoint president, Will Ralston. He says we are continuing to take deliberate and necessary actions to position the company to be able to attract creative growth capital from institutional investors and family offices. This is another fundamental step in achieving the joining of listed exchange. So they are trying to join a better exchange. An increased price has the opportunity to entice a larger pool of potential investors, which could lead to increased shareholder value. We are pleased to have successfully completed another segment of our comprehensive financial restructuring, and we would like to thank our investors for their dedication and support they have given us. So they are reducing the pool of common shares available to entice larger investors to get into this company. So that is why they have done this reverse stock split. I feel like we have seen a lot of these as of recently, which have been really driving down share prices on a lot of stocks that I have been interested in. To continue with this article, SinglePoint's management focuses on solar and renewable energy applications. The company will continue to look for accretive acquisitions, so this is what they are looking to do with the company moving forward, and which is what we see with the 1606 Corporation. Um, in an effort to create the first truly national network in the sector, the solar industry is estimated to quadruple by 2030, according to the U.S. Solar Market Insight 2020 Year in Review report, released on March 16th, 2021 by the Solar Energy Industries Association, SEIA, and Wood Mackenzie. Currently, only 4% of the addressable residential homes in the U.S. domestic market have solar, with a similar number of small commercial opportunities. So they are definitely very bullish on the solar industry, and definitely see this as something that is going to, continue to increase moving forward. As previously stated in a recent SEIA publication, the forecast shows that by 2030, the equivalent of 1 in 8 American homes will have solar, but we have a long way to go if we want to reach our goals in the solar plus decade. This report makes it clear that smart policies work. The action we take now will determine the pace of our growth and whether we use solar to fuel our economy and meet this climate moment. So again, they're reiterating that they are very bullish on the solar industry, thinking that 1 in 8 American homes will have solar. Now, I am not as bullish on this solar industry, and I do not think that 1 in 8 American homes will have solar by 2030. That is a very lofty goal. However, let me know in the comments if you think I am wrong about this and you are more bullish on the solar industry than I am. I am bullish on this industry, and I think it will continue to grow, but 1 in 8 Americans having solar in their home in the next 10 years is not something that I think is personally feasible. Moving on, we get some strategic rationale for SinglePoint. As SinglePoint implemented its strategic growth and diversification plan, its board of directors explored opportunities to drive enhanced performance and stockholder value. So what they're looking to do is their focus is each company will benefit from a distinct strategic and management focus on its specific growth opportunities, talking about its acquisitions. They will also have differentiated investment opportunities, so each company will offer differentiated and compelling investment opportunities based on its particular operating and its financial model. Optimize balance sheet and capital allocation priorities. Each company will have its own capitalization and financing to grow its specific business. So they are allowing each of these acquisition businesses to kind of grow and kind of go off of what they think they should do. They're focusing on each company as an individual and letting them grow by themselves, which I think is a smart move instead of being totally overbearing and, micromanaging each company. They're letting these kind of have their own responsibilities and grow and focus on themselves. But let's get right back into this chart here. On SinglePoint, we're here on the daily chart, focusing on some more long-term trades. However, we will get into the 30-minute chart as well to focus on some short-term trades. We definitely have support created here at the 145, and I also like these. Well, I guess it's a resistance now. Support also at 75 cents. So we are definitely trading in this range currently, hoping to either test this support here at 75 or come up to test this resistance at 145. Either which, if we get a break of the 145, that will be initiating your buy order, or if you get a break below a support or a rejection off the support, this is the area you'll be looking to take a buy as well. I also like the next resistance line being here at the 50 EMA. as the next resistance, and then we can take it probably to the end of these candle wicks. Obviously, you can see we don't get much trading above that area, so that will probably be our last long-term resistance until we get more price action up above this range, as in more recent price action. So getting into some more shorter term trades, you can see we still have some pretty massive candles here. A lot of volatility coming down, wicking all the way down to the 20-cent range. So I'm going to drop another support line in this area to kind of give us another rejection opportunity if we do break below this support at the end of this wick here. I'm also going to be drawing a support here where this candle stuck. So we can see two candles stuck in this area, and we continue to reject off of this. I would like to get a break above these candles here. That would be a good initiation to buy, to take up, follow these candles up into the $1.46 range around our 50 AMA in this area. So that would be an excellent opportunity to come up to there. And I would also like to come up to this 200 EMA as well. So to kind of show you guys what I am thinking, plan out this trade a little bit, you'll be looking to initiate the trade at the break of this resistance here at 113. So you'll be looking for strong confirmations, candle closes above this area to take to our first price target here at 145 with stops just below this support line. Once we come up to our first price target, you'll be taking a partial profit, reducing your overall position and moving you to your next price target here at 192. Price will then be at the next created support line. And then you can see here we have a massive stop loss at this time. So you'll be looking to trail this, reducing your overall risk and ensuring gains. By not trailing your stop loss and leaving it below the support, you allow price or give it the opportunity to come down, break below the support and take you out of loss. So this is how we are going to ensure our gains and ensure profits. But that is all the information I had for you guys today on SinglePoint Inc., ticker symbol SING. And if you found value in this video and enjoyed the content, please drop a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you know whenever we come out with new videos. And I also have my Instagram link down below if you would be interested in following that. But as always, guys, I hope you have an excellent day. Go get some gains in the market, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.